In Uganda today, there are a host of small enterprises as well as individuals who employ scores of people and yet struggle to enter the second phase of the business cycle in vain.
There are private companies in Uganda that are bigger in terms of turnover, in terms of number of employees, in terms of impact and so on, than actually public companies.
With increased competition in day-to-day running of business units, experts think that there are indeed avenues for diversifying investments for more liquidity or cash flows.
And by the way, a well-governed company, and this is likely even to borrow money at a lower rate. For instance, you can get money in the capital market because of good corporate governance. And even I can imagine, I have not run a bank, I can imagine a bank managing a company that keeps its accounts very well. The accounts are audited within a particular period of time. It has got a good board, it has got good governance structure.
It's also a reason that the stock market can enable individual business owners and enterprises as well source for cheaper capital to support onward growth plans.
For any ordinary person to invest in shares or to keep some money in the stock market. Why? Because if you look at the current stock market of Uganda, you can buy as low as one share on the stock market. And brokerage firms have minimums of how much probably how much someone should invest if they're to invest through them. But I think minimums are as low as 50,000 Uganda shillings per share. So I believe it's very, very practical and possible for any ordinary person to invest in the stock market. Yeah.
The new Companies Act now is spreading the net much wider. It's not only regulated companies or brokers, banks, insurance companies and so on. You are allowed to raise money from the public. And if you're going to be allowed to raise money of the public, you must do more accountability to the public.
But that is not to say that the stock exchange as an avenue for investment does not come with hiccups. Business or entrepreneurship in real sense is about risk-taking. And it's only those who take risks head-on that are able to grow in business.